A guest left you a 2-star review with false claims. You replied with the full truth, defending every point, and now every future guest reads an argument. Your reply made it worse, not better. How you respond to a bad review tells future guests more about you than the review itself. An angry reply signals an angry host. A professional reply signals a host who handles problems with grace. The perfect bad review reply has 3 parts. 1. Acknowledge their experience without admitting fault. 2. State one specific thing you have improved since their stay. 3. Invite future guests to experience your hospitality. Never argue. Never use sarcasm. Never list everything the guest did wrong, even if they broke every rule. Your reply is a marketing message to every person who reads your listing next. The best prevention and a professional guestbook guests receive before arrival. When expectations are set clearly from the start, 25 review situations drop dramatically. Set the right expectations up front, and HostFiler helps you build both. Build your house rules and free at HostFiler.com. 25 tokens on signup, no credit card. Set the right expectations up front and watch your negative reviews disappear naturally.
Airbnb and short-term rental hosts, stop paying expensive monthly software fees. With HostFiler, create guest books, cleaning checklists, house rules, pricing calendars, and guest messages, all in one toolkit. Pay only for tokens, never subscriptions. Start free today at HostFiler.com.